Hey everybody, this is Melissa Esquibel. One of the things I love about being a trainer and coming on site to an organization to train is watching people discover all of a sudden that they've been doing things the long way. Now, I like to say there's a right way to do things and a long way to do things. Well, if you've been doing it the long way and have now discovered in one of my classes that you just bought back 2 hours a week or 100 hours a year, that's real and nothing makes me happier. I love seeing your expressions, the whole Macaulay Culkin Home Alone expression that you get when you make this discovery. I'm very passionate about people getting the proper training to use these tools that the organizations have invested so much money in. So whether you're an Office 365 shop or a Google Suite shop, whether you need help with Excel or Outlook or PowerPoint or even Microsoft Word, which by the way, everybody thinks they know everything about until they come to one of my classes, I would be thrilled to hear from you. Let me know how I can help you. Don't forget, ask for the training that you need.